brings us to the green and fertile north. Travelling with me is my friend Guy Green.
So that one now.
And he's an expert in gathering food for the pot. He's come to Galicia on the northeast coast. Battered by the Atlantic, this is the seafood capital of Spain, and the Galician is almost a religion. The most popular local dish is octopus. Octopus in Galicia is like roast beef and Yorkshire puddings. Regional speciality. They are everywhere here. They're so passionate about octopus that they have competitions like who can cook the best octopus. They have different styles of cooking octopus. Octopus graces at every single cantina table in the whole of September, so we timed it right to catch the end of the season. There's a skill to catching octopus and an art to cooking it. With some local and hopefully some master both.
Aren't these guys wonderful? One of them like put him with Walter Matthau in a Galician-based odd couple film, and he got a hit. You know what I mean?
These guys may look like film actors, but they're pretty serious about catching octopus.
So essentially what I'm doing is you basically want to find the nooks and the crannies. And I've got a bit here, and I've got a sardine.